what's up? The 1B here, and we're going to be doing some more video editing. Let's go ahead and jump into this. Go to new project, browse, video editing, editing here, graphic design. It's going to be a Jotun thumbnail creation. Select this folder. Thumbnail, Jotun thumbnail creation. Okay. Videos, I think it's going to be 421 210809. Video, throw it. Yep. Fine. Let's import that. And then we want to import into the project my YouTube end screen. Then we're going to drag the video into the timeline sequence. And because this is a, what is this here? Good morning. All right. Good. The levels. Something I always say is I'd rather you have to turn me down than not be able to turn me up. Okay, what is happening in my life right here? Okay. How did that get confused? What's up, everybody? The 1B here. And I am going to be video editing a video where I create a Jotun thumbnail. For the file. Yeah, so my brain is melting. I swore this was a video about me creating the thumbnail, not a video of me video editing the thumbnail. That's it for this morning. This is all right. We have to Jotun thumbnail done in Photoshop. Hopefully it helps you a little bit. So that's me listening to the end screen. Then I do it, and then end screen. This is weird. It's okay. Content confusion happens in Contentception. That's what happens. So we're going to unlink. It doesn't matter what the video is. All right, I'm going to tell you what these channels are. This audio channel here is a synced audio. What that means is it's or mixed audio. It's all three of these channels mixed into one. I like to use it for syncing audio. We're going to delete that one. This is system audio, so since this has got me playing video in the video, I'm going to leave that one. And then this is Discord audio, which means I would use it for if I was talking to people or in a discussion or in a video game playthrough or multiplayer video game. So here we're going to link it back up, and then we are going to right click, delete tracks. All right, we want to delete video 2 and video 3 right here, right? These tracks. So we're going to click this, and it's going to delete the empty tracks. We want to delete audio 1 and audio 3. Those are empty tracks. So we'll click delete audio tracks, all empty tracks. We'll click OK, they're gone. All right, this is linked. We're going to click Effect Controls. All right, so when it's sound or system audio, I like to turn it down. And then I like to turn me up. So I always turn myself up, because if you can't hear me, then that's a problem. But if I'm too loud, you can turn me down. So it's better to be able to turn me down than versus not being able to hear me. then we're going to go ahead and bring in the YouTube end screen, select it, turn it up as well. And the first thing we're going to do is look at the beginning. How long does it take to start this video? What's up, everybody? All right, so you can hear. You can hold Control K. And then that's gonna split this into 2 videos here. 2. And then we're gonna select the first portion. We're gonna hit Shift, and we're gonna hold Shift and hit delete. And that's gonna remove, that's a ripple delete. It's gonna pull all the video files forward, including this one too. You'll see it here when we do it at the back end. Other stuff. So thanks everybody. Staying safe and peace. And right there, we're going to go ahead and hit Control K again. It's going to turn that video into 2 clips. And then we're going to select the piece here. Hold Shift, delete, and it's going to remove this and pull this forward automatically. Right there. Closes the gap. Then we're going to hit Control S. And then I'm just going to hit Control S again because I did that. And then I'm going to hit Control M, which is going to export media. And then we're going to come up here and we're going to call this. It's got all messed up because I thought it was a Jotun creation video, but it's actually video editing. So, Jotun creation video. Jotun thumbnail creation video. Save. We're going to hit Q. Going to bring up Adobe Media Encoder. Your file's right here. As soon as I hit this green play button, it's going to start the encoding and rendering process. It's going to how long it's going to take is going to depend on many factors, like how long your video is, what kind of format it's in, how many videos you're actually rendering. You can render out like 10 of these. What specs your computer is. There's a number of factors, so it's going to be different for everybody. This one's probably going to take me 5 to 10 minutes. I don't record the rendering process because it's just a 5 minutes of sitting here. But while it's rendering, hopefully you'll go and watch one of my other videos. Thanks for watching. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.